So find the domain and range of the given rational function. We have f of x is equal to x minus 4 over x plus 2 times x minus 1. So kukunin natin ang domain ng given rational function. The domain of a rational function is the set of all real numbers such that the denominator is not 0. So focus tayo sa denominator, which is x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So, equate natin ang denominator sa 0. So, ang bawat factor ay equate natin sa 0. So, magiging x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, ang values ng x na makakapag-0 sa denominator ay x is equal to negative 2 or positive 1. Therefore, ang domain natin ay x is an element of real numbers except negative 2 and positive 1. So, ito yung domain ng ating rational function. Kukunin naman natin ang range. So, pwede pa ba natin masimplify ang rational function? Hindi na kasi wala naman tayong common factor. Kaya ang susunod nating step para makuha ang range ay kukunin natin ang inverse ng rational function. Tapos, kukunin natin ang domain ng inverse function. So, one way of finding the range of a rational function is by finding the domain of the inverse function. So, magiging, yung f of x, gagawin natin y. So, magiging y is equal to x minus 4. So, imumultiply ko na ang denominator. So, magiging x squared plus x minus 2. So, kukunin natin ang inverse ng rational function. Pagpapalitin natin ang x at y. So, magiging x is equal to y minus 4 over y squared plus y minus 2. So, isosolve natin ang y in terms of x. Dapat ang variable na y ay mapunta sa left side at ang variable na x ay mapunta sa right side. So, multiply both sides of the equation by y squared plus y minus 2. Kaya magiging x multiplied by y squared plus y minus 2 is equal to y minus 4. So, distribute na natin ang x. So, magiging x y squared plus xy minus 2x is equal to y minus 4. So, lahat ng may variable na y squared, pagsasama-samahin natin. So, nag-iisa lang ng xy squared. So, kukopihin lang natin. xy squared. So, lahat ng may variable na y, pagsasama-samahin, so, magiging xy. So, ililipat natin ang y sa left side. So, magiging minus y, mag-iiba ang sign. Plus, lahat ng mga walang variable na y, pagsasama-samahin natin. So, kopyahin natin ang negative 2x. Tapos yung negative 4, lipat nyo sa left side. So, magiging positive 4. So, is equal to 0. So, quadratic equation na siya in y. So, gagamit na tayo ng quadratic formula. So, ang quadratic formula ay negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is equal to x. So, kung ano yung katabi ng y square, yun ang a natin. Ito pala, i-factor out nyo yung y. So, diba, ito, yun natin dito. Pag factor out mo yung y, ang matitira sa loob ay x minus 1. So, ito yung b natin. Ang b natin ay x minus 1. At ang c natin ay negative 2x plus 4. So, mag-focus tayo sa expression na nasa loob ng square root. Ang gusto natin mangyari, dapat ang nasa loob ng square root ay non-negative. Kasi pag naging negative ang expression na nasa loob ng square root, magiging imaginary number ang y. So, ang dapat, ang b square minus 4ac, which is equal to x square minus, x minus 1 square minus 4x times negative 2x plus 4 ay greater than or equal to 0. So, isa-solve natin ang value ng x. So, magiging x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 8x square minus 16x is greater than or equal to 0. So, simplify natin. 9x square minus 18x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. So, pwede natin i-divide ang both side by 9. So, magiging x square minus 2x plus 1 over 9 is greater than or equal to 0. So, ilipat natin ang 1 over 9 sa right side. So, magiging x square minus 2x is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 9. So, add 1 to both sides. So, nagko-completing the square tayo. So, add 1 to both sides. So, if factor natin ang left side, so magiging x minus 1 square is greater than or equal to, so 1 minus 1 over 9 is 8 over 9. So, get the square root of both sides. So, magiging square root of x minus 1 square is greater than or equal to Square root ng 8 ay 2 multiply by square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So, itong square root of x minus 1 is square. Recall that square root of x square is equal to absolute value of x. So, magiging absolute value of x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 square root of 2 over 3. So, also recall that if absolute value of x is greater than or equal to c, then x is greater than or equal to c, or x is less than or equal to negative c, where c is a positive constant. So, magiging x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 square root of 2 over 3, or x minus 1 is less than or equal to negative 2 square root of 2 over 3. So, add natin both sides by 1. So, magiging x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 2 all over 3, or so pwede rin naman natin isulat as 1 plus 2 square root of 2 over 3, or x is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 square root of 2 over 3. So, ito yung domain of the inverse. So therefore, ang range natin in terms of y is, so ito yung range natin. Y is an element of real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 1 plus 2 square root of 2 over 3, or y is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 square root of 2 over 3. Ito ang ating range. So, to summarize, ang domain natin ay x is an element of real numbers such that x is not equal to negative 2 and positive 1. At ang range natin ay y is an element of real numbers such that y is greater than or equal to 1 plus 2 square root of 2 over 3, or y is less than or equal to 1 minus 2 square root of 2 over 3.